chemical in the body, endorphins, that gives us this feel-good feeling. Nagkakaroon tayo ng chemicals lumalabas sa body natin, sa katawan, pag nag-exercise tayo, naglalakad tayo, nalilesen yung pain and hardships and sadness mo. That is number two, you have to exercise. Even if you're successful, you have to exercise. But more so if you are encountering crisis or hardships right now, all the more you have to exercise in order to emotionally, physically overcome the hardship. Number three, i-compartmentalize mo ang crisis mo. Ibig sabihin, kung may crisis ka, kunyari baon ka sa utang o nanay mo nakasakit, grabe, may cancer or hindi mo masolve, may financial losses ka, wag mo isipin every day of your life yan. Ilagay mo sa isang imaginary locker. May parang locker ka na, alam mo sa school may locker na may lock. Pag hindi mo kailangan siya i-tackle yung problema, if you do not need to tackle that problem right now or to address it, put it inside an imaginary locker, i-lock mo, then go on with your life. Go on with your work. Do your work, recover, do everything else. Talk to your friends, talk to your relatives.